Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I built these studio flats from start to finish. Now these things have many purposes. You can use them to make music videos, you can use them for photography, you can use them as a background set for pretty much anything. Now these come in sets of 4. This is just one flat that I have here. I have the other 3 in the garage. But they come in sets of 4. They're 4x8s, which means 4 feet wide, 8 feet tall. You put them all together, that gives you a 16 feet by 16 feet wide and 8 feet tall wall. So it covers a lot of ground, a lot of area. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Enjoy.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for staying till the end. If you really enjoyed my videos, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any suggestions on what I should build next, make sure you leave something on the comments for me and I'll get back to you. Last but not least, I want to give a big shout out to my boy Hogan. He's the one that requested this project, so I'm going to be leaving his name on my description. Y'all go ahead and follow him for me. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much. I'll be seeing y'all in my next video. God bless.